Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. Guess what? We're open here at Discount Merchandise, Hooked on Pickin Discount Merchandise, for you guys, for the online viewers. You guys get to see the store, but a lot of times you don't have access to the items. Well, guess what? Today we're going to take a tour through the store, and you're going to be able to send us an email to hookedonpickin@gmail.com to be able to buy any of these products. And so we'll send an email back, or an invoice back actually, of the item you want. And so we're super excited to be able to show you the entire store. Also, just a reminder, I have a special treat for you. All right, if you totally missed the last two videos, which I'm sure you haven't because you're a very loyal following, we are doing a promo code. We are currently traveling this weekend to bring our daughters to go see a college visit. It happens to be the college that James goes to, so we're going to have all the kids together, which is super fun. But in order for us to do that, we are going to do videos like this, and then we're going to offer you a promo code discount called TRAVEL. So use the travel word in the promo code as you check out, and you're going to get 20% off your entire order in the store. So we want tons of orders. It's now Sunday. We want tons of orders when we show up on Monday because we got some work to do. And so run over to the store. We just unboxed a whole bunch of stuff. You get 20% off everything in the store if you use that promo code TRAVEL. All right. Now that Hooked on Pickin Discount Merchandise is open, let's take a tour and see what you can get. Remember, you're going to send us an email. The email is down in the description and the link below. Hookedonpickin@gmail.com, just like it's spelled. Hooked on Pickin, just add the @gmail.com, and you can send us, hey, I saw the XYZ, please do a great description for us. And then Amy actually will read most of those emails Monday morning, and she'll be able to send you an invoice within the next couple of days for you to purchase that item.
Might be Tuesday because her son is graduating from boot camp, Coast Guard.
Yep, Coast Guard boot camp. So it might be Tuesday, but give us a couple of days to respond to those emails, and we'll be able to get all of that information to you. Most likely, you'll just get an invoice with the item. We'll box it up for you. All right, so here's the store. It's a little bit disheveled because we're closed right now for the regular public, but we'll show you all the things we have. So we have got, of course, Jelly Bellies we have online. Just so you know, all of the things that we have in the store, you might actually still also be able to find on hookedonpickin.com. So if you don't want to send an email and you want to check to see if it's on the store, please do so, because then you get the 20% off. The invoice will be whatever the price is normally. So here's our backpack section here. We've got, this is stationery, and so Paul's going to kind of slowly walk through. We've got our pens and pencils. We've got lots of notebooks. We've got these cool corkboard cactuses. I think we're sold out online. So we got a couple more of those here. We've got some glue combo packs here. I don't think we ever had these online. So this is cool. It's got the stick glue and the regular washable glue. We've got, of course, scissors. Scissors are online. Like I said, half of it's about online and half of it's in the store. And so here's our whole stationery aisle. We've got some cool pencil bags that are iridescent. So anything you guys are interested in, just send us an email. The best way, actually, is to send us a screenshot. Take a screenshot of the item that you like, and that would be perfect. That way we know we're looking at the exact item you want. Great description, so be the best. Send it to hookedonpickin@gmail.com. Don't forget, you can still buy stuff on the online store with using that promo code TRAVEL. So we got some costumes, some cool capes, black cape, white cape, Transformers, kids. These, I think, are online, aren't they?
I think they were at one time.
They were online. And so if you're really interested in those, we could probably pop some more online for you guys. And then, like I said, you just got to send us an email. So this is all kind of Halloween overflow. Let's run to our front window here and see what we got. Lots of cool stuff. Here's another cool thing. You ever feel like you're listening to one of my videos, and although I talk fast and loud, I don't talk loud enough? This will amplify your sound. So it's a sound amplifier for your cell phone. Here's all our Thanksgiving stuff. Thankful sign. So we've got some pumpkin bags for trick-or-treating. We got pumpkin carving kits. There's some wigs here. So we've got some pink-haired wigs, some Wonder Woman costumes, Batman costumes. This is the T-Rex costume. We did have this online. I think we still have those in stock. We've got a kid's version of a dinosaur and an adult version of a dinosaur. Look at these cute guys, little Snoopy snow globes. So all sorts of fun things. Lots of Nightmare Before Christmas stuff. Let's go ahead. I'll move this out of the way, Paul, so you can walk by here. There we go. Alrighty.
It's our dollar bin.
Yep. $3 bin.
Craziness.
We had some of these online, but if you're interested in one of these, let us know. We just put these. We have some of these online. These actually come with motors and they light up and spin on their own. So we just actually put those in the store today. So, fun. Oh, you want to show the new arrivals table here?
A lot of this you guys have already seen.
Yep, a lot of it. This is a cute Thanksgiving little canister. I love that.
That's online right now, too.
Yep, it is.
Swords.
Swords and stuff. We can ship those.
For all your sword needs.
Yep. All right, if you want to swing around, we do have some Amish stuff coming in stock. But
Yep.
if you're in dire need and must have one now, let us know. So we got the barbecue sauce, the salsa, the butters, the jams. We only have 3 of these gift packs left. And then, of course, all our candies. And then we have stationery bags and stuff down there.
Most of this candy is all online, too, already.
Yes, almost all of that is online. Yep. All right.
Oh, I guess I should show you. We do have some wall things also.
Oh, yeah, those are cool. So
huge clock.
this is a really cool battery-operated clock. Then we have kind of this tree scene with a setting sun. We got a giant windmill. We got this cool sunflower. Looks like it's made out of yarn, kind of. We've got all of these. We've had these online before. And then this is a really pretty wreath with butterflies on it. Yep. So if you're interested in any of those, let us know. All right. Then we have sunglasses for $3.99.
Sunglasses.
Sunglasses.
Cool eagle.
Yep.
All kinds of little trinkety items.
Yep. So these are those rechargeable, these are solar, I think, rechargeable lights. Bunch of cool stuff, wallets, watches. Here's a bunch of toys. We'll go down kind of our toy and puzzle aisle here. Some of these things you've seen online, like all of these big puzzles, these floor puzzles you can buy online. I think our dog puzzle we have online. So if you're interested in puzzles, check our we have them in crafts sometimes, and then we definitely have them in toys.
Great.
Yeah.
All kinds of toys.
Here our front window. We have fun things there. So this is just kind of like kitchen-y type things. These are cool. These are actually, these are really nice dishes sets, and then these are stoneware sets. You can actually cook in them. Put them in the oven.
You can cook in a pumpkin.
And then they have the little slot, so if you stuck a little spoon in there, you can serve soup out of it.
Love it.
Yep. So, got some of our health and beauty gift sets in through here. Could you see with the wide view all the things?
A little bit. A lot of this stuff, well, this one I don't think we have on there. Some of these were breaking and shipping, so they got all moved out here.
Yeah, so
they're fine. They're not broken now, but they seem to always break in shipping, the glassware.
Because they're glass bowls inside a glass bowl, so they cling together.
Yeah.
That's the reason. We pat it well, but it clings together.
Mm-hmm.
So we do have this Mickey Mouse set and a cute little chef set for mitts. I think we only have one Mickey Mouse.
Mm-hmm.
Then we've got some makeup. Like if anybody, even if you're interested in just like, hey, make me a $25 just all eyeshadows and lip glosses, we can do something like that easily, and we'll make sure it's $25 worth of product like that.
More medications.
Or if you want us to make you a health and beauty box, say, hey, I'd like a $25 health and beauty box or a $50 health and beauty box, you know, and then we can include, you know, medicines and sunscreens and beauty products as well. So get creative with it. It's fun. But we wanted to open it to you guys because we do have a lot of product in here that we don't...
well, last time we did a tour store. A tour store?
A store tour.
A store tour. How do you say it?
A store tour.
That's how you say it.
A lot of people asked for stuff, so that's really what gave us the idea. Is you guys gave us the idea to do this. So you need some equate. We've got vanilla, chocolate. We even got some Boost, name brand. It's not expired. And then those are $1 a piece.
We had a lot more.
We did.
We had a whole 2 bottom shelves of it, so it's been selling.
Yep, it has. We have the cell phone lockups on there. So, yeah, let's keep looking through. That's pet stuff right there that you just looked at. Doghouse. The doghouse is for sale.
Mm-hmm. Fans. Wind spinners. A lot of decor. Pillows. A lot of these pillows are online too. Occasionally one is not on there. Got some bedding sets.
Oh yeah, the bedding sets are nice. This one I think is a king. I think.
A lot of greenery.
Yeah.
Large fans. Those are a little bit harder to ship.
Yeah.
But they are nice. Some of these beddings you guys have seen.
Yeah.
So if they don't sell in the fire sale, they get moved out here quite often.
These pillows are actually online.
Mm-hmm. These pillows are.
So when you look at them, I don't think you know how sparkly and bright they are and how big they are. So it's like a silver and gold geometric pillow.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
More pillows and blankets down that way.
I think almost all that is online except for these jersey quilts. These jersey quilts for the full and queen, those are not online.
Mm-hmm. They're just like bright white.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of dad stuff in here. That thing is beautiful. I can't believe it's still here.
Yeah, it's super
So
pretty.
he's got a lot of neat little random little trinkets.
Almost all of our tool section is online.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Still got a few of the rugs left.
Yep.
Those actually did pretty well for us.
They did.
All of our really long rugs are gone.
Yeah. Oh, we have one more Minecraft rug.
Yeah, one more.
I think we're sold out online for Minecraft. But
Probably.
We have one more in here, so if you want it. We got mini. These
Toilet
are
paper.
all carry-on size luggage pieces.
Yep.
So these are all kind of like carry-on size. This is all we have for luggage.
Yep.
So it gives
Just
you an
the
idea.
3.
This is the hard case one. Oop. I'm trying to tip it
roll
over.
off the
Sorry.
shelf.
Yeah. So there's a little gap in the shelf there. All right.
There's the Wizard of Oz.
So all of these costumes were outside on a rack today. So
Got all the clothing you guys have seen.
got
But if
some
I go
books.
over to the books, a lot of random books. Still have one guitar. I think I bought like 7 guitars. We're down to 1 left. More Halloween stuff. That's creepy. What in the world is that thing?
What is that?
I don't know.
It's like a little. It's like a plant,
It's like
but
a.
it's got a skull in it. I don't even know where that came
I
from.
don't know either. Some of the stuff is still left over from Liquidation Station.
Mm-hmm. I think that's what that was. Yeah,
Probably.
This is left over from the
Yeah.
police station. Little hay bale.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A lot of Christmas and a lot more Christmas coming.
Mm-hmm. We've got all these deluxe makeup kits as well, like for Halloween and just fun play.
Good for face paint.
Mm-hmm.
Huge snowman. Got some Easter. This is like all of our holiday area.
Yeah, we keep one wall of seasonal, and shockingly, we sell quite a bit of it throughout the year. Look at this giant, cute bear. Isn't he cute?
He says, I love you.
He does say, I love you. The pillow is separate from the bear, but it's cute.
And just some other overflow of toys.
Oh,
There's
we
an
have these
Ewok umbrella. Yep.
It's actually a stone egg.
Stone egg wreath.
It's a really cute wreath. It's a great table setting.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we have those online.
And then we've got...
Oh, we didn't... Yeah, look at that table, and then the home decor behind you there. These sections there. Okay.
Yep.
Look at the wall things. This I love.
Yeah.
It's a metal. These are metal, so they're great. You can put them outside or inside.
That's been there a while, too.
It's like an Americana flip flop.
I thought these things were beautiful. The stained glass.
We have 3 panels of that stained glass.
Yeah.
So if you want all 3, let us know. And then this is actually a solar light. It's got LEDs in it, and it lights up. So if it's that beautiful by itself. We also have these cool handwriting charts.
That's cursive. Well. That's cursive, kids.
Yep.
That's what that used to be.
This is a cool like lantern thing in here.
This is left over from bulk pallets, remember?
This is battery operated.
We haven't bought a bulk pallet in a while.
A couple of planters that you can use for various different things. Got this set of lampshades, the topiaries, all this stuff on this table. And then I know we missed kind of all these toys over here. We'll go through those.
I'm going to go back to the toys over here.
Just starting from the shoes over. Because shoes are hard to figure out what
with
those because they're various sizes. So those are cool. Volcano thing there down at the bottom. So you probably recognize some of these things online, but then we have other things that we just put straight in the store.
Yeah, sometimes what happens is we put like 6 online and 6 out here.
And the ones online sell, and we forget that we need to restock online.
Exactly, Heather.
Hey, weren't you looking for some headphones, Paul?
I was looking for headphones, but remember my phone doesn't have a jack.
Yeah, we need a Bluetooth set. We do have a Bluetooth set, I thought, over.
Nice.
Maybe. We'll see. We get them all the time, though. This is
Decor.
Yeah.
There's a Merry Christmas. It's a nice sign. And then we got candles.
Lots of candles. We just put a bunch of candles on.
We did. I think it's it.
I just wanted to hug this Squishmallow because it's cute. So we also have a bunch of jewelry pieces, but we do have quite a bit of jewelry online. So you can check that. Thanks so much for joining us. Thanks so much for joining us for the store tour. Like I said, if you want anything, you need to email us at hookedonpickin@gmail.com. hookedonpickin@gmail.com. It'll be down in the description as well. And then don't forget, if you want to just shop directly off of hookedonpickin.com and not deal with the hassle of waiting on an email, you can buy right now 20% off if you use the promo code TRAVEL. So use that promo code TRAVEL. It'll be awesome, and you'll be able to get that right away. We'll get it shipped to you. And so just type that in. When you do your checkout, you get 20% off your entire order. And that does also include even reseller helps. So that's a fun thing as well. So thanks so much for joining us, and of course remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.